I recently paid for an online business which is a premium blog from a website called Flippa.com. It's an online business marketplace, and so make sure to hit the subscribe button because in this video I'm breaking down what that process is like and how you might be able to do it as well. Okay, so before we take a look at what I just finished buying, let's look at what Flippa.com actually is first. It's an online business marketplace that acts as a mediator between buyers and sellers, kind of like the Amazon or eBay of online businesses. With it, you can sell or purchase things like Amazon FBA stores, domains, apps, and websites, and it's also a really easy way to get involved in online businesses and a solid investment if you can find the right listing. To delve a little bit deeper into the site I paid for, it was a make money from home kind of affiliate marketing online business idea site, and you can look at the views here and see that it gets about 6,200 page views per month with 2,235 unique visitors per month as well. Anyone that really understands websites knows that that's pretty decent traffic overall. It actually makes money from premium blog posts as well, aside from the traffic it gets, and there's some AdSense ads on it as well. To look down a little bit, you can see it actually has had 51,536 organic Google visitors overall, which is a pretty solid number, and like I said, most of these are actually Google visitors aside from other search engines. But on average, I would say it probably gets a little bit over 100 unique visitors per day, with over 60 of those being organic ranked traffic from the Google search engine. And so now that you understand the metrics, also understand that one really cool thing about Flippa is that they connect their site to Google Analytics. And so the traffic you see, if you see traffic like this, is actually verified traffic from Google Analytics. Another thing you do want to consider though if you're thinking about purchasing a website is you want to look at the organic traffic. A lot of the time people will just pay for traffic, and it's a lot of fake traffic, and it actually hurts your site more than it ends up helping it. And so you want to make sure the traffic your site gets on Flippa is organic traffic, because if not, you're basically getting ripped off. And if you're thinking about using Flippa to buy websites and stuff like that, I would get into the habit of asking the seller to share their Google Analytics page with you. They do have a function where you can share a Google Analytics page with someone, and that's what I've been doing when I'm reaching out to sellers on here as well. That way, I can delve deeper into the Google Analytics page, see where the traffic is coming from, and confirm that it's either organic or referral-based traffic. And so yeah, with all that said, the blog I paid for was only $2,000, which in my opinion, considering the traffic, was pretty cheap when you really think about it, especially if you know anything about web development and SEO. It can take sites like this years to rank well, and so the fact that I could pay just a few $1,000s for it was honestly a pretty good bargain for me, especially when I'm considering the fact that I'm involved in this niche already. Another element of this purchase that I really have to consider is whether I'm going to continue this blog as a premium paid blog or whether I'm just going to decide to give everyone everything for free. If you know my other YouTube channels, we're all about free here, and I couldn't imagine continuing to charge people for premium blog posts, but I think I'll probably end up just giving everything away for free, but that's a decision I'm still waiting to really think about thoroughly. With that, if you have any advice on what I should do here, let me know in the comments below. Anyways team, that's it for this one. Remember to hit the subscribe button because there will be a part 2 to this video coming out where we continue to look at different investing opportunities, looking for undervalued, profitable sites on Flippa. We're also going to have a lot more free content coming out about starting and building online businesses, plus investing tips and a lot more stuff. If you check the description, you'll see a link to our other channel as well, where we day trade the stock market and make money every single day in just a few hours. And so like I said, check that out. Good luck guys, and we'll see you all next time.